Welcome to Philadelphia. I'm the captain. Here we are, Broad Street. Uh-oh. Now I feel awkward. I just got done yelling at these people, and then they're going to see me again. It's okay. Going for a scoot. And today, we will go back in time. 1 year ago, today, is when the great Hurricane Ida flood happened in the, I would say this section. What's this? The Center City District, the Art Museum District, Boathouse Row. Completely, well, somewhat submerged. And I remember it as if it were only yesterday. This is a horrible idea. But yeah, you see where the cars are? That was completely underwater, and it was above where the cars were. And driving now, it was completely underwater. And I think the highway was closed for surprisingly not as long as you thought it would be. Maybe like 4 or 5 days. That might be too long. Oh, that guy touched it. I don't know the name of it. I call it creepy AF. Because if you look, yeah, honking makes a difference. Honking because you're waiting. Yeah, there's a rule. You're not supposed to block the box. Yeah, this guy, you gotta back it up. SUV. Yeah, back it up. Okay, asshole court, he loses. There's a sign. You see the sign? In between the lights, it says, "Do not block the box." Which means, yo, when it's a yellow light, don't go past the white lines, right? It just fucks up everything. If everybody would just not block the box. And by the way, if you're watching this and you get on the highway, and like you gotta merge a lane, if everybody treated it like a zipper, it would work so perfectly. But you got people boxing people out. But if we all agreed to do the zipper, you go, I go, the world would be a better place. But anyway, this is creepy, eh? Look, there it is. There's that thing. That looks like Thomas Jefferson. Oh, look. Nudity. Not really. It's art. Look, there's right? It's creepy. Faces. Look. What the hell? And then finally, this guy's like, let me get he was part of this work of art, right? This guy, he was part of it. And he was like, I gotta get the hell out of here. And look, there's a nightmare chasing him. Horrible. Unfortunately, during Hurricane Ida, we didn't lose that art. Nightmare fuel, I think it's called. All right. All of this was underwater, and I think it went to like where that white truck is. If you see that white truck over there, it's about as high as it was. So we're behind the Philadelphia Museum of Art. And now a lot of the flooding and water, like raging waters, that was all happening around here. We have I think it's a dam, the Fairmount Dam, and it was. I've never seen it raging ever. So this is the Fairmount Dam, and there was the water was pouring through here. All of this grass was underwater. These benches.
For a period of time when you saw where City Hall is, the water was flowing from this area, go out to City Hall, and go to the pool part of Philadelphia. But the man was so big, he couldn't really get back.
Inside. Oh shit. Oh my god, a sea monster. So you can see how, like, this might actually be a little lower than usual, but you can see it's about 10 feet high, and it was over where the top part is, completely submerged underwater, where the top of the railing is, completely underwater. This location here, it's still a lot of debris and trash. There was like a jet ski that was up here. This part, I think, was like the last real cleanup part. It took maybe it was still here in the winter. I don't know exactly when they got rid of it, but this part was really full of trash and debris for a while. And now it's so nice they have weddings 10 feet away from where all the damage was, right here. So everything where this cafe is, right? You see where everybody's sitting here eating? The day after the flood, it was open. So people were coming here and getting like a cup of coffee. And the Schuylkill River itself, the Schuylkill River was up to here. It came up to these steps. And I remember standing here, and there were people like 2 feet just drinking coffee. If you see these people, they're all in this cafe eating lunch. But if they walk just 10 feet behind the cafe, there's a natural disaster happening. See the dock is upended there. I guess it will be okay, right? That bike. Yeah. Right behind the natural disaster cafe. the water came up to the doors. This whole ground underneath where it goes down, everything was flooded. We recovered nicely here in Philadelphia. So that's it. That's my update on Hurricane Ida a year later. Not much, really. Doodles.